We have now seen the official DJI reveal of the Avata 360 drone, and what an impressive product this has turned out to be. The Avata 360 will redefine immersive storytelling for experienced creators who don't want to be limited, and also complete beginners who want to reimagine the world around them. At the heart of the Avata 360 are powerful dual 1-inch sensors that can capture 8K video at 60 frames per second. Every detail, every texture, every moment recorded with unreal clarity. And when it's time to capture stills, the Avata 360 delivers breathtaking 120 megapixel panoramic photos in seamless detail. Whether you're weaving through tight spaces or cruising above open landscapes, DJI's advanced O4 Plus technology will ensure stable flight and reliable video feed. Having the omnidirectional obstacle sensing paired with the fully enclosed propeller design will allow bold, confident and creative flight, knowing that the Avata 360 is aware of its surroundings at every angle. With the innovative 360 capture and the option to shoot a flat profile as well, there is the ability to produce several clips from one shot. No need to hone FPV skills, you can get impossible tracking shots, dives, cinematic sweeps when you edit the footage in post. DJI's reveal video of the Avata 360 has shown that this is the drone we have been waiting for, and it was definitely worth the wait. It's a new way to explore, capture, create and tell your story with total freedom. Unlimited angles, unlimited creativity, one incredible aircraft at an affordable price.